based upon the percentage of the closest customers. And in other words, I'm a retailer. I have a number of stores. I have some customer information in one database. I have some store information in another database. I want to see which customers are closest to each store, and then find the trade areas or a polygon on a map for 100% of my customers, 75% of my customers, and 50% of my customers. Well, this is how it's done in Alteryx. You simply use an input data tool and connect to your data source from disparate data sources. And in this case, I'm bringing in some customer information and some store information. I'm feeding that into a tool called the Find Nearest tool. Now, based on the location of these customers and stores, Alteryx will calculate which store is closest to each customer. Now, the output of that, now we're going to get into calculating those percentages. Remember, what we want to do is we want to assign our customers, whether they're in a trade area that's 50% of the customers, 75% of the customers for the store, or 100% of the customers for the store, based on their distance from the store. So that's what we're doing here. First, I want to count the total number of customers per store, and then I want to rank each customer based on their distance from the store so I can calculate that percentage. Again, I just count using this particular tool, which is called a transform summarize tool, to get the number of customers per store. So each store has a number of customers. Again, just drag and drop and so configure, and I can find out the number of customers per store. Now I join that with the rank for each customer by distance, and then calculate that as a